Hi, this is John Speweik with Speweik Preservation Consultants, and this is Roy Brennan with Preservation Plastering, and he's working with us on a historic plastering training program at the old Beauregard Middle School that you can see behind us, built here in just outside of New Orleans, Louisiana. Historic property shall be preserved.
Okay, distintas terminaciones de construcciones técnicas y examen de características de la historia de la propiedad será preservado.
To match the final finishes.
Y que va a haber una arena que se va a tener que cribar para que quede bien finita.
General tool. I love these things.
On the first day of training, the masons were brought in to fill in the clay masonry openings prior to the plaster repair campaign. To the plaster. This is a tag team hole, huh? This is a tag team hole. Laying up the last brick, we got the infills finished up, and we're going to be scratching back the mortar to receive the plaster actually cured out. So we'll let the mason finish that up now. So. Packing it in real good so it's nice and tight up on top. Yeah, actually put a wall tie in at 16 inches up on center, up from the center of the wall, so that's secured against the backup tile work. Okay, we have the application now of the peel away material that we're taking off the paint surface off the actual historic finish of the plaster, so that we can get down to the actual substrate of the plaster surface itself, so we can see what to match. So the peel away material has been placed on, and then the actual paper is placed up over the top of the peel away material, and that'll be left to sit for 24 hours. After 24 hours, then this paper will be peeled off, and the paint will come right off the actual surface of the historic plaster when that's done.
Just like that, right?
Yeah, just like that. Cut it like.
Right here, just a smidge.
consolidation material was sprayed on by hand all around the edges of the existing plaster so that the new plaster would adhere to the existing plaster.
Okay, otra víctima que participe en el tallado.
Okay, that's fine.
A 5-in-1 chisel was used to scrape the surface of the existing plaster so that the new finished plaster would be able to adhere to the surface. This worker can be seen plastering the first coat, which is the scratch coat, over the top of the clay brick masonry laid the day before.
Look around the depth right here.
A scratch rake is used in the wet plaster to create keys for the brown coat to seep into when it's applied the following day.
Estabilice eso con agua y ya va a estar bueno para darle.
Okay, you can see the spots. See where it's set. See that stuff? See, his is the only one that didn't do anything. Okay. So that's good. We can tell you what we can do. These are set enough because it's.
Yeah.
Okay, just like that.
Y que si lo tiene que tener uno todo el tiempo, que sea autorizado, traerlo siempre con uno para prevenir accidentes como la máscara.